Hi guys. Okay, so this is a video to explain how to calculate Q, that is heat, when you have a change in temperature. Okay, the first thing that we need to have from here, well, before that, I'm gonna read the problem. It says, calculate the heat needed to warm a zero point 0.2 kilogram sample of water from 25 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. If C from water, that's the specific heat, is 4,180 joules per kilogram Kelvin. So, everything you have to do is this. First, we're going to identify uh, all the data you have. You have 0.2 kilograms, that is the mass. You got the temperatures, that is from 25 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, and you have this specific heat. So we're going to use a formula in which we have all that information. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, in which you have Q, that is heat, that is what I want to have, is equal to the mass times the specific heat times the change in temperature. So everything we have to do is to substitute all the data in the formula and multiply it. So that's what we are going to do here. So this is the heat equal to the mass, that is 0.2 kilograms, times the C, that is that 4,180 joules per kilogram Kelvin, times the change in temperature. The change in temperature is 55 minus 25. Now you have to remember something. These temperatures are in Celsius, but the difference in Celsius will be equal to the difference in Kelvin. So it doesn't matter if you use the temperatures in Celsius. Just remember that we are using this specific heat using Kelvin. So that's like a little note there. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have Celsius, because you will have the same difference if they were Kelvin. So once you multiply this, you will obtain that the heat is equal to 25,080 joules. And this is the final answer. That's the heat you need to warm a 0.2 kilogram sample from 25 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius.